2005 Lexus RX 330, doing a light bulb side marker replacement. Okay, you see that bulb there, and you see there, that's the factory bulb. So that's the dull little factory bulb, and this is the aftermarket, and actually it's brighter than this than you see in the camera. This thing is actually hurt your eye bright. Another one to replace them with, which will also turn, if you've seen these will also fit inside there, and these are blind your eyes, hurt your eyes bright. The only problem is they barely fit in there, and when you do get them inside, they're loose. These have gotten old and loose, so you have to put a little dab of silicone, like say right there at the very corner, and hold it in and let it set up before manipulating it inside there, because it might fall out. And I've discovered this on accident. They'll fall out and they'll fall down inside the lens. So I'm getting a little dab of silicone to put on here, and then this will be the side marker light that lights up this right here.